It's all about data and evidential information that allows you to trade efficiently on the market. And this qualifies Forex not to be gambling.
Hello guys, how are you doing? It's been a while. I know. I haven't posted content for a while. It's been quite hectic. Been doing a lot of works in the background, but we're coming back as FxLion. There's a lot that we're putting in place, especially the courses that we talked about on our website. We're going to be uploading them, and for the students, just relax. There's a lot that we're going to upload, and we're going to make sure that you guys get all the content that you need. But one of the most important thing that I would want you guys to understand is in the world of Forex trading, you don't have to give up. There's a lot that goes on. Most people don't speak about these things, but we lose a lot of money, we gain a lot of money. At the same time, it's all about understanding how the market works. That's part of learning. Failure is part of learning. So the more you lose, the more lessons that you also learn. At the same time, the more wins that you win give you courage to actually do more in the Forex market. So make sure you learn from others. Don't be ignorant. Understand what others are saying about the market. Listen to the news. The news is the most important, because when you miss the news, you miss everything. The market is based on the economics of how the market is moving. Right now, there's a lot of things that are happening. There might be a World War III. So you find that most of the assets are fluctuating on the market. And this is the best time to actually trade. For others, it might be the worst time, but for you, if you're able to see the opportunity, it's the best time to trade. So I want to encourage everybody, do not give up. We are coming back, and we're coming great. So tune in to most of the videos that are coming up, and make sure you follow our social medias, FxLion. My name is Tesla Gerard. See you soon.